guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we're going to try out a lace front wig, and I purchased this one from Amazon.com. and I don't know if you're like me, but I'm obsessed with Amazon Prime. I order everything Prime because it comes so quick. But yeah, this video is not sponsored by Amazon or nothing. I placed, like, I'm not even gonna lie, like 4 to 5 orders on Amazon, and every time I will order a wig, I will order the wrong one. Like, I will order the wrong one. I've made this video so many times, like, you know, an unboxing for you guys, and then I open the wig and I'm like, how many times am I gonna order the one wig, the wrong wig? There's so many different kind of wigs, so I really do recommend you to do your research, do your homework, Google it, go on YouTube, and try to find a video that has the one you're buying, because I bought 4 or 5 of them and I had to return them. So this is why this video is taking so long. And yeah, as you know, I'm transitioning to normal curly hair, so that means a lot of bad hairstyles for a very long time until your hair grows out. If you're not part of the Pineapple Squad, then what are you waiting for? Join the family, join the squad. And yeah, let's get into the review. And so this is how it looks. You guys know the box, right? The Amazon box right here. So yeah, let's open this. I'll show you on my phone, but it died. Story of my life. My phone is always dead. But yeah, this wig was around $36. So yeah, I already opened it, so I'm just gonna take it out. Alright, so this is how it comes, like this. And it comes, and they did include lashes. That is very nice of them. So they included those. And yeah, this is a Chinese wig, obviously. And it looks like this in the package. I have really high hopes for this wig, y'all. Like, really high hopes. Alright. Ooh. Okay. So this is the lashes that it comes with. Little Chinese lashes. They look very, very, very natural and very synthetic, but I'll try it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, so this is how the wig looks like. The really long one. I will leave the link down below to the one I purchased, just in case you guys want to buy it too, because I was looking at so many videos of the people that have bought, you know, wigs like this, and they don't put like the link, and I'm like, how are you supposed to be helping me make a decision if you don't, you know, if you don't give me the link of the one you bought? So I'll leave the link down below for you guys. And oh, how do you, I can't even take it out. Look at this. Okay, I got it. I already had this cap because I bought so many that they've come with the cap. So this is the one I have. But okay, so this is how it looks like. It's very soft. It looks very nice. It looks like natural hair, I'm not gonna lie. And it's not natural hair, obviously. It looks so nice. Like that. And then this is the front, like this. And this is the one I wanted, the one that had the front like this, so I could look more natural, because the other ones didn't look natural, and yeah, no, nobody got time for that. So this is how it looks like. All right, I'm gonna put it on. I've seen a couple of videos, and all of them say to make the little thing in the front like a little bit thinner. So I'm gonna cut and make it like not that thick, because it's like very thick. So I'm gonna do that now. I don't know if I cut it good enough, but let's put it on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yo, I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm gonna fix my hair. Okay. Okay, like that. Alright, so this is how the wig looks inside. It has, where's the front? Okay, this is the front. So this is how the sides look. The side has 2 little things, and then the back one has one also. All right, I need to get a comb. So, let me tell y'all about this wig. Okay, so it is so tangled. So tangled. It is so uncomfortable that look. I literally look at this. It's so, look at this. If you guys saw at the beginning of the video, these little baby hairs were up and I went in with the blower softly and it burned it. It burned it. So I had to cut it off. So I cut it off. This is the worst $36 I've paid. Look at this. I can't even, look at this. In my life. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm so disappointed right now. I'm so disappointed. Like, everything's falling now. Like, it's so uncomfortable even to have on right now. Oh my, I can't even pull it back because it's all tangled. Oh my god. Oh, is that getting in my head? Ugh. All right. I can't even do this. The video says that I could do this. I can't do this. Look. Like, I don't know. It doesn't look bad, but it feels super bad. Look, I can't even go in to put my hair in separate ways because it doesn't come apart. Look how tangled it is. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm so disappointed, y'all. Like, I really, really wanted this wig to work. If it wasn't because of the tangledness, I could make it work because look how nice right here it looks. I could just make this wider right here and put a little bit of my foundation in the hairline and that's it. It'll be a good wig. But look at this. It's so tangled. I've been trying to untangle it for the longest. Like, I've been trying to untangle it and I can't untangle it. I can't. Look. I can't untangle it. Can't. I try to take it apart slowly so I can untangle it. Nothing. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Not even my hair has these knots and my hair's curly. Look at this. I am returning this ASAP. ASAP. I'm so disappointed in this wig. Oh my god. So disappointed. Alright. No. Alright, I'm gonna put all the hair back. No. Okay. So, I attempted to do this review for you guys, but it didn't happen. So, these are good videos because now you know not to buy this wig. Look how nice it looks, just like that. Normal. Look at the hairline. It's so good. And the website says tangle free and heat resistant. It's not heat resistant because it burned. And it's not tangle free. Look at this. Returned. Anyways, this was the video that I have for you guys. I'm so sorry that this not worked out. I really wanted this to work out for you guys, but sometimes it just doesn't work out and what can you do? So I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna forget about this wig. I'm gonna send it back and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's not the videos I like to do, but are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? I'm over it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment down below what you think, because I'm so overwhelmed right now.